Want to reset your iPhone using iTunes? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Before resetting your iPhone, it's important to back up your data to avoid losing anything important. Once that is done, you want to use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Open iTunes. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. If your iPhone isn't responding or you want to perform a complete reset, you need to put it into recovery mode. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you with two options: restore or update. Click restore to erase all content and settings on your device and reinstall the latest iOS version. iTunes will download the necessary software and reset your phone to its factory settings. After the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart and show hello sign. From here, you can either restore from your backup or set up iPhone as a new device. If you backed up your iPhone before reset, you can now restore your data. In iTunes, when prompted, choose Restore Backup and select the most recent backup file. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.